American investor and popular Bitcoin advocate Michael Saylor is stepping down as the CEO of MicroStrategy, the software company he co-founded in 1989. According to the news shared along with the company's second quarter earnings report, Saylor will now assume the position of executive chairman. Lyn, the firm's current president, will assume the CEO role. Saylor, a known Bitcoin maximalist, adopted the Bitcoin standard for MicroStrategy in 2020. Since then, the company has bought almost 130,000 Bitcoin for the parent company and its subsidiary, MicroStrategy. According to the news release on the MicroStrategy website, that is not to change. Here is an excerpt from the report. MicroStrategy, the largest independent publicly traded business intelligence company, announced today that as of August 8, 2022, Michael Saylor will assume the new role of executive chairman, and Lyn, the company's president, will also serve as the company's new chief executive officer and as a member of the board of directors. Mr. Saylor will remain the chairman of the board of directors and an executive officer of the company. Michael Saylor has served as chief executive officer and chairman of the board since founding it in 1989 and taking it public in 1998. Under Mr. Saylor's leadership, MicroStrategy has become a global leader in business intelligence, serving the most respected enterprises and government organizations in the world. It has also been a technology pioneer in the fields of relational, web, mobile, and cloud analytics. More recently, MicroStrategy became the first publicly traded company to adopt Bitcoin, a revolutionary financial technology, as its primary treasury reserve asset. As executive chairman, Mr. Saylor will focus primarily on innovation and long-term corporate strategy while continuing to provide oversight of the company's Bitcoin acquisition strategy as head of the board's investments committee. According to the report, Saylor also had this to say about the new roles. I believe that splitting the roles of chairman and CEOs will enable us to better pursue our two corporate strategies of acquiring and holding Bitcoin and growing our enterprise analytics software business. As executive chairman, I will be able to focus more on our Bitcoin acquisition strategy and related Bitcoin advocacy initiatives, while Lyn will be empowered as CEO to manage overall corporate operations. Before we discuss the details of the firm's second quarter earnings report, what do you think about the sudden switch in roles? Most importantly, how do you think Saylor's new position will affect the company's Bitcoin holdings, especially since it was reported with digital asset impairment charges of $917.8 million compared to the $424.8 million recorded in the second quarter of 2021? Let us know what you think in the comments section below. Also, ensure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Let's dive right in. According to the report, MicroStrategy recorded losses of $918.1 million in the second quarter of 2022. That's in addition to the digital asset impairment charges of $917.8 million. The firm also recorded a net loss of $1.062 billion due to the 96.5% increase in operating expenses. Because of the digital asset impairment charge, MicroStrategies soared to $1.015 billion in the second quarter of 2022. At the end of the first half of the year, the carrying value of MicroStrategy's digital assets was $1.988 billion, meaning the company recorded cumulative impairment losses of $1.989 billion between August 2020, when it made its first Bitcoin purchase, and the end of the second quarter. The carrying value is a measure of value for a company's assets. It is calculated as the original cost minus any depreciating factors. Since MicroStrategy holds approximately 129,699 Bitcoin, the average carrying amount per Bitcoin is approximately $15,326. In its earnings report, the company also noted that as of June 30, 2022, the original cost basis and market value of its Bitcoin holdings were $3.977 billion and $2.451 billion, respectively. This reflects an average cost per Bitcoin of approximately $30,664 and a market price per Bitcoin of $18,895.02, respectively. Regardless of these minor setbacks, there is no reason to believe MicroStrategy is heading for financial ruin. According to the earnings report, the company's total revenues for the second quarter of 2022 were $122.1 million, a 2.6% decrease compared to the same period in 2021. The company also recorded a 5.1% increase in product licenses and subscription services revenues for the second quarter of 2022 compared to the second quarter of 2021. Following the recent gains in Bitcoin prices, MicroStrategy stock prices are also showing a significant recovery. It has gained over 67% in the past month and around 13% in the past 24 hours, though it is still down around 50% compared to the past year. According to recent tweets, Saylor is still focused on the Bitcoin standard for the business intelligence and analytics company. In one of his tweets, the MicroStrategy CEO wrote, "In my next job, I intend to focus more on Bitcoin." In another, he stated how far the company has come since adopting the Bitcoin standard. Since MicroStrategy adopted a Bitcoin strategy, its enterprise value is up plus 730%, plus $5 billion, and MicroStrategy stock price is up plus 123%. Performance of Bitcoin is plus 94%, S&P 500 plus 23%, NASDAQ 13%, gold minus 13%, bonds minus 14%, silver minus 29%, Google plus 54%, Apple plus 43%, Microsoft plus 34%, Amazon minus 14%, Meta minus 39%, Netflix minus 53%. Are you looking for a secure cryptocurrency trading platform where you can buy, trade, and hold over 600 cryptocurrencies at the lowest transaction fees? Binance is a world-class crypto exchange with a set of amazing features for all categories of crypto lovers. No matter your crypto needs, Binance has got something for you. In this short review, we will examine one of the platform's coolest features for hodlers. Binance staking is an excellent way for crypto hodlers to increase their crypto holdings while avoiding many risks associated with staking on other platforms. Binance will protect you from slashing risks, meaning you get exactly the same number of tokens you staked after the agreed duration. Though fiat value returns can vary with market conditions, Binance locked or DeFi staking is a great way to earn amazing rewards on your cryptocurrency holdings. Plus, there are no complex technical requirements for staking on Binance. With the click of a few buttons, you can get started immediately without any technical know-how. Just register on Binance, click on Binance Earn, then Staking, and select any of the mouth-watering offerings under Locked or DeFi Staking. It's super easy, convenient, and rewarding. Don't forget that Binance is still offering a mouth-watering $500 reward for all users that register with our link. Please click on the link in the description box below to get started. What do you think about Michael Saylor's new position as MicroStrategy's executive chairman? Please share your observations and comments in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching.